Okay, it's 2-10, change expressed as a percent. So some definitions to start with here. We have percent change. That's expresses an amount of change as a percent of the original amount. So you might say on a discount, if you're going shopping and you're seeing how much it's been discounted, how much to take off, or if you get a pay increase, it might be how much, what percent increase your salary went up. Percent increase is that the new amount is greater than the original amount. So a percent increase would be like a salary increase. Your salary goes up by 5%, your new amount is greater than the original. Percent decrease would be like if something's on sale for 25% off, if the new amount is less than the original amount. Alright, formula here. Percent change is the amount of change over the original amount times 100. The times 100 makes it a percent. So let me give you a minute to, you might want to pause the video and write down these definitions here. And then we're going to go do some examples using this percent change formula. So it's amount of change over the original amount times 100 will give you your percent change. You have to decide on the context of the problem whether it's an increase or decrease. So finding a percent decrease. It says a coat is on sale and the original price of the coat is $82. The sale price is $74.50. What is the discount expressed as a percent change? So this is using our formula here, percent change. To get the amount of change, we've got to do a subtraction problem. We've got to take $82 and subtract from it $74.50. Okay, so that's going to give us $7.50. So $7.50 is the amount of change. That will go on the top of our formula. So we take the $7.50, the amount of change, over the original amount. The original amount was the $82 here. And then multiply that by 100. So $7.50 divided by 82 times 100. Alright, so take 750 and divide by 82, gives me 0.09 times 100 will make it a percent. So I get about 9%. So going back over here, the question was, what is the discount expressed as a percent change? The discount is a 9% discount. Alright, so it's finding a percent decrease, or there's a 9% decrease, if you will. Alright, finding a percent increase. It says a store buys an electric guitar for $295. The store then marks up the price of the guitar to $340. What is the markup expressed as a percent change? We're going to take $340 minus $295, which gives us $45, and that is the amount of change. And so we're going to take the amount of change, 45, place it over the original price, which is $295, multiply that by 100. So on the calculator, I'm going to go ahead and take 45 divided by 295 gives us 0.15, and then we're going to multiply that by 100 to change it to a percent. I get 15.25% to the nearest percent. That is about 15%. This is what is the markup expressed as a percent change? 15% increase. Alright, finding a percent change. Here's the next one, and the last one here. It says a hybrid car cost $21,500 in 2008. As they became more affordable, the price dropped to $19,780. What is the decrease expressed as a percent change? So once again, do a subtraction problem. It's one you could probably try on your own now after seeing the two examples. You saw one example of decrease and one example of increase. So if you subtract those two, you might want to use a calculator to do that. 21,500 minus 19,780, so 21,500 minus 19,780, I believe. 780. 1720, let's just double check that. Yeah, so it's 1,720. So we take 1,720 over the original, which was 21,500 times 100, and this will be a percent decrease here. What is a decrease expressed as a percent change? So 1720 over 21,500, so 1720 divided by $21,500, the original price. 0.08 times 100. And change that to 8%. You really need to do the calculator when it's a 0.08 and just move the decimal 2 places to the right. So what that tells me is there was a 8% decrease in the cost of the car. Alright, so that's 2-10% increase, percent decrease. Hope this helps.